guys, thank you so much for clicking on my video. I hope everyone's having a really great day. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my new Pinkzio IPL hair removal system. If you're new here, my name's Thalia and I make videos usually every Friday. They can range anything from fashion hauls to lifestyle vlogs, as well as my own original music and some covers because I am a singer-songwriter. So if any of those things interest you, then definitely consider hitting that subscribe button and click the notification bell as well to get notified when I post new videos. So if you have watched any of my other videos, you might know that I'm from Florida, and in this beautiful sunshine state, we have lots of opportunities to go to the beach, to go to the pool, to basically be out, sun's out, buns out. So I definitely find dealing with my hair very annoying and just so much of a hassle. I basically have to always plan out, okay, do I plan on going to the beach or the pool the next day? Make sure everything is hairless that I want it to be. And it's just a little bit of an inconvenience that I think if I could get rid of my hair and get rid of it permanently so I don't have to shave as often or at all, then that would definitely be ideal. So that is why I'm so thankful to have been gifted this IPL system by Pinkzio. And even if you don't live in a super sunny sunshine state like I do, I'm sure the temperatures are getting warmer all over as summer is approaching, so I want to do more of those pool activities, beach activities, and definitely having less hair and not having to think about it is less of a hassle. So if you find that it is pretty annoying and inconvenient to be constantly having to think about your hair, making sure that you've taken care of it before you get to enjoy yourself for the summer, then I definitely recommend checking out an IPL hair removal system. I'll leave this one linked down below. And let's go ahead and see what all is inside this beautiful package. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and insert my unboxing clip here and kind of walk you guys through what all comes in this hair removal IPL system by Pinkzio. Alright, so opening the box up, it comes with a user manual, of course, that'll walk you through all the steps of how to do the system. So it will take about 12 weeks to see a permanent visible reduction in hair within that treated area. The hairs should be lighter and finer, so any hairs that are left over, they will be coming back, they will be growing back much lighter in color and finer, so they will be a lot less noticeable. So ideally the hair removal device should be used every week for 12 weeks, and then to kind of do some upkeep, make sure that the hairs remain that fine and lighter color that they'll grow back as, the device should be used once a month. So that's, just to make sure that you don't have to restart the whole process again. But if you ever do, you would at least already have the device at home and don't need to go to a location to get professional hair removal done on you. So that is also very convenient about this system. And so that is the first item that comes in the box, of course the most important, so we know how to use it correctly. And then here is the actual hair removal device. And what I really love about this is the design, how this beautiful gold is on here. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I get beauty devices, I do still want them to match my aesthetic. And my aesthetic is light and bright with gold accents. My favorite metal is gold, so definitely love that. And it does also have a multi-ergonomic design, so that means as you are using the device, it's very comfortable to use and not too bulky in your hand, so just makes it for a better experience. So very happy about that. And then the second item you also get in the box, of course, is the charger. It also comes with a little shaver device because you will need to shave before using the laser. And I love that this is turquoise, it's my other favorite color. It came in a little reusable baggie, so that's great for traveling. You can just drop that in there if you go on a trip or anything like that. And then the last item in the box are these collapsible, awesome sunglasses right here. So you can kind of just put them back together and then use them. How cool is that? Oh my gosh. If you watch any of my other videos, then you know how much I love mini bags, and this is perfect because they actually fit in a mini bag. I'm sure that's amazing. So this protects against up to UV 400, which is very helpful. So let me go ahead and fold those back up. Look at that, that's so handy. So that is everything that comes in the Pinkzio IPL hair removal system. What's great about this system is, like I mentioned, you can do it from home, and of course the pricing. So getting a hair removal session, like getting it done in a location, in a facility, is about like $200 per session, sometimes more. And there are multiple sessions required of this. Like I mentioned, it's 12 weeks for this particular device, and for those kinds of sessions, it's at least 4. I think it's like 4 to 6, something like that. So that is a significantly more amount of money than just buying this device, which is just under $200. So definitely a much more cost-effective way of handling hair removal. It is FDA approved as well, so you know that you are using a very safe product that has been tested and tried. And it also comes with free shipping, so what more could you ask for? All right, so we're gonna check back a little bit later and go ahead and do the first patch test, and then I'll go ahead and walk you guys through my first time actually using it. And then be sure to follow me on my Instagram at Thalia Sophia with an underscore at the end, because I will be sharing some updates on how it's going using this system and what kind of difference I'm seeing. So definitely follow me on there. And now we're gonna go ahead and do the patch test. We're going to test a small area on the arm, use the low treatment level, and only emit 1 to 2 shots. And then of course, if I feel any discomfort or any itching or anything like that, then I'll know not to use this system and to consult a physician instead. It does also note if there's no skin abnormality after 24 hours, but you feel intense hotness during the treatment, then the last lower level is the most proper energy for your skin. So we want to be paying attention to our skin. Of course, if there's anything uncomfortable, then we know kind of what level light to use for this process. So let's go ahead and do the little patch test, and then we'll come back tomorrow and actually try the full treatment out. I'm gonna go put on these handy dandy sunglasses because they are included, so might as well make use of them. Alrighty, so plugged into the wall. This indicates that it has energy and can go. So I believe I called this cord a charging cord earlier. I meant to use, just the power cord. That's what I meant to say. So let's go ahead and turn this on. Press the button for 3 seconds. And now it is on. So now it's flashing with this green, and you can feel there is some ventilation going on. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to just use this part of my arm because I have hairy arms and there's very few areas to use on my arm without hair right now. All right, so now it has turned green, so it's made adequate contact with the skin, and we can go ahead and press the button for the light flash to occur. All right, so if we press the button again, we can increase the level to level 2. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that because it was a little bit warm, but I didn't really feel anything at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that. All right, same thing, pretty like a warm sensation, but nothing uncomfortable. So I'm gonna go up to level 3 and try that one. All right, yeah, it definitely feels kind of like a hot little flash, but other than that, nothing uncomfortable. We move up to level 4, and now let's see, I'm getting a little nervous. All right, also didn't really feel much. And now level 5, let's try level 5. Now I'm moving slightly up my arm. Okay, so that one definitely felt like a rubber band kind of smacking my skin. But that was the 5th level, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. 1, 2, 3, we'll turn it off, indicates that it's off. So I'm going to wait 24 hours and just double check that there's nothing wrong, and I am able to continue using this device, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys my first time using this device as a full treatment. Hi guys, so it has been 24 hours since I did the patch test, and definitely no signs or symptoms or anything like that, so I'm good to go ahead and do my very first treatment. So let me go ahead and pan the camera down. I'm going to be doing it on I think I'm just going to show my right leg, like the calf part. So let me pan the camera down to show that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these sunglasses on for eye protection as I do this process. Here's my leg. I just shaved a little bit ago, a couple hours ago, so it should be good to go. So I'm just gonna do this part of my leg for the camera as my very first treatment, and kind of walk through the whole process of doing a section of your leg if you're interested in using this product. So, all right, let's go ahead and get started. So I have the device plugged in. Thankfully, I have a little outlet right here that I'm usually trying to cover up, but in this case, it's very handy. So let me go ahead and turn this on. 1, 2, 3, so now it's on. And then for my legs, I'm gonna try level 3. And if it doesn't hurt, then I'm gonna go ahead and move up to level 5 pretty quickly. All right, so let me try. I'm gonna go all the way up to 5. I did 3, I didn't really feel anything at all. It's actually really, really comfortable. I have used some other at-home laser treatments before, and they kind of sting like pretty darn bad, and I stopped using them because it was so hard to get myself to, like, basically it felt like a little needle was being inserted in my skin. But this one is like pretty much completely painless. I just feel a little bit of heat and then it's already over. So moving up a little bit, up a little bit, up a little bit. So I have to wait for it to stop flashing to be able to do it again. And I didn't do that just now. Okay, there we go. Okay, cool. So I've done this whole part of my leg. I'm gonna try to do like the knee. I feel like the knee is always really hard because the curves and stuff, but let's see how we can get this to work. There we go. Ooh, I would definitely say the knee is a little bit more sensitive. Okay, cool. All right, so that is the process of using this IPL laser. Definitely really not uncomfortable to use, and I'm using it all the way at the 5th level, so that's like the strongest level. And just have to keep repeating this once a week. Actually, let me turn this off so I don't waste electricity. So I just have to repeat this once a week and do it for 12 weeks, and then I should definitely see a reduction in hair. So I'm definitely going to keep using this once a week, every week for 12 weeks, and by the end of the treatment, I should see a visible reduction in my hair, so it's not as noticeable, it's not as much of a hassle to deal with all the time. But that is how to use the IPL device. That is basically just showing you guys how to do a little section of your leg. Of course, you just repeat the process and continuously move it along whatever area it is that you are using the laser on. And like I mentioned, that multi-ergonomic design made it really comfortable to just use in my hand. I can, grip it like this, whatever is more comfortable, and it was really easy to use. And like I mentioned, I was using it on the 5th level, and I only felt like a little bit of heat kind of touch my leg, and that was it. So very comfortable to use, which I'm so happy about. And yeah, so I'm gonna keep using this, and I will keep updating you guys on my Instagram to see how my progress is going. So follow me at Thalia Sophia with an underscore at the end to see the end result once I have used this for 12 weeks and get my feedback. Thank you so much to Pinkzio Beauty for gifting me this product and letting me test it out and sharing it with all of you guys. So if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave any questions you have down below. I will leave this device link down below, as well as my discount code. Use Thalia for $20 off. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.